In this Qigong set, we'll use body position or posture and sound vibration. The emotions we experience in response to life's events have an energy. Negative emotions have negative energy. Sometimes we get stuck in our emotions. This makes the energy get stuck. We need to dissipate this negative energy in order to have a balanced flow of energy in the body. The posture and sound combinations illustrated help to dissipate the negative energy associated with the emotions. Follow along and practice. The postures are made easily without strain, and the sounds are sounded in a conversational tone. See. The fear sound. Foo. Bend the back to stretch just below the base of the ribs, the location of the kidneys, and make the sound. Foo. The angry sound. Shoo. Left hand in the small of the back, right hand over the head, palm up. Lean left. Make the sound. Shoo. The worry sound. Hoo. Back of the right hand into the small of the back, left hand overhead, palm up, lean left, make the sound. Hoo. The impatience sound. Ah. Raise both hands over and slightly behind the head, palm up, and make the sound. Ah. The grief sound. With arms at your side, palms pressing back, stretch the chest and make the sound. All negative emotions. See. Lay flat on your back and make the sound. See. Let's practice all the healing sounds, one time through from start to finish. The fear sound. Foo. The angry sound. Shoo. The worry sound. Who. The impatience sound. Ah. The grief sound. All negative emotions. See.